Furniture gets shipped, it gets dinged or beat up a little bit. Not everybody's perfect. But one thing that is perfect is barnwood. Have you ever seen a piece of barnwood that wasn't perfect? All barnwood is perfect. The cool thing about this is when it gets dinged up, or when your kid wants to show you that they can use the hammer now, or I don't know, something falls on it, gets dinged up. You know, it happens. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a little bit of sandpaper. This is just 320 sandpaper. And I'm going to sand up these areas that I purposely distressed. What I'm looking to do is make sure they're smooth and there's no splinters going to snag anything. That is going to be able to take the dark wax that I'm going to put in here. I'll rub that off on the surface. I'll buff it a little bit. Boom. Done.